in this video, I will be showing you how to log in Telegram. So of course, if you have not yet downloaded Telegram, you have to go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then type Telegram. And then you can see there a button that says install. So you just have to tap that. But since I have installed my Instagram, so I can see here update. And then once done, all you have to do is to launch your Instagram or click open. Now, to log into Telegram, you must have your valid phone number. And it's so easy to log in, especially if you have created your account already. So if you have not yet created an account, this is what it looks like. You just have to choose a country and then type your phone number. Phone numbers are very important because they will send a code in order for you to proceed with your account in Telegram. So here they will ask again your number and then you have to enter the code here. And then after that, once you enter your code, you can now easily enjoy your Telegram. And that's how easy it is to log in to Telegram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.